Alright, what's up YouTube? So, back in the shed, bit of a quick rundown on what's going on and what this project is about and what happened. So, basically, it was a not failed project, because I try not to say failed, in that it's just more of a learning thing for me, because that's kind of how I learn. I learn from mistakes and figuring it out and picking things up for the next time. So I just thought I'd throw it all together. Bit of a fun video, bit shorter, but if you're not interested and you really want to be able to see an end product at the end, just skip to the next video. If that's what you want to do, that's cool. But I've got bigger projects coming up which will be really awesome. And so basically, quick rundown, that's a bit of a cross section of what I made. Basically I sandwiched it all, a whole bunch of thin stock that I had left around that I cut up, and then basically sandwiched it all together, then cut it this way, cut it that way, did a whole bunch of different stuff to it. But a few things happened that meant that the whole project in the end failed. So basically I had these metal that was going to be on the inside, and then this was going to be on the outside, and then that would get cut through, so then you get this cool like line this way, line that way. A few things happened. I think I should have waited longer. I don't think I let the glue sit and set enough as hard as it could have, because basically as soon as I put a hole saw onto it, it ended up sort of softening up, and I think it really I should have just waited, especially because it's been cold. So I think it really needed a few more days just to 100% set, and then I should have not used an old hole saw that was too hot and just heated up too much and just melted it, and it went to shit. So, but the overall idea works really well. So I'm going to come back and have another go at it. It's just the main thing is that at the moment my table saw is needing a new blade, and so I'm going to wait until I can get that, so that I can get cleaner, better cuts. Because part of the problem was, between every cut that I did of the other one, I'd have to clean the edges up and and so I ended up with not enough stock as much as I would like, and that I was really short on space. I had to really try to get only just what I had needed, which is why I tried to use the hole saw to try to help with that, to get just the right diameter. But basically that's the quick rundown. I'll throw a few little fun bits in, and I'm sorry there's no end shots of it. But yeah, I think I'm definitely going to come back and have another go in a few weeks, and I think it's going to look really cool. So, if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Instagram, you'll be able to see what I'm up to next for my next video. Till the next one, peace.